Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris, and today I'm going to do an update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, you can clearly see that right now we're standing exactly at $21,680, and guys, we are actually in a very emergency situation, an extremely dangerous position, because if we're going to get to $21,500 and break this very strong support area, we're going to get into the next strongest support, which is exactly the $21,250, and if we're going to also break this one, which as I told you is the strongest one, that on this downtrend movement that we have currently, guys, you're gonna see another free fall to the area of $20,000 or even below that. So on this video I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm expecting according to which support area we're gonna break, and if we're gonna see any kind of reversal to retest any kind of resistance, which right now we're gonna retest as a support in the next coming days. And of course we're gonna speak in the mid long term what I'm expecting, because guys, the situation that we're standing right now is extremely bearish and all indicators are flashing bearish. So if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video, guys. And before jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm. And with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, share with your friends, and share in your social media, you are actually helping me so much, and appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart, guys. A big thank you to everyone, and let's dive straight to the 4-hour time frame, because we have lots of things to cover out which are very interesting. And guys, first we're gonna begin with this rise wedge pattern, which as we know is forming perfectly on this 4-hour time frame, and it was actually my guidance to the reversal that's happening at this moment. So if you remember, we had this beautiful formation. I was one of a few guys that I was highly believe that we're gonna see this huge breakout on this rise wedge pattern, which actually happened at $23,350. And I told you that also if we would break a very strong resistance area of $22,500 area, we're gonna see instantly a free fall on the Bitcoin price to the area of 21,000 within 21,500. The video, guys, is there. You can go and confirm by watching my previous Bitcoin videos, and you're gonna understand that I predicted exactly that the time that we're gonna break this massive support area of $22,500 area, we're gonna see the free fall. And actually, look at this, it happened exactly as I expected. So immediately I'm gonna give you the technical price target just for the new subscribers, because the old one already know the technicals of this pattern, but I'm gonna do that for the new ones. And guys, the technical price target of this rise wedge pattern is the $20,600, and all we need actually to get there is to break this very strong support area, which is the $21,250. And we have also a mini support area, which $21,500 area. Okay, and guys, this kind of support is a Fibonacci level retracement support area, I mean, which the time that we're gonna break, we're gonna get straight to $21,250 to retest this massive support area. And because you can clearly see that this support area is the previous very strong resistance, and the time that we broke it out very strongly, we moved into another level. So we have two very strong support areas ahead of us, with the strongest is the second one. Have this very well in your mind. Also here, guys, as you know, we had the double top position, which also I discussed you the previous days, that if we're gonna break this $22,750 area, we're gonna see an instant crash on the Bitcoin price, which actually happened. Okay, and you can clearly see the technical price target here is the $21,250, which is the second strongest support here that we have. And I believe, guys, from time to time we're gonna accomplish this technical price target on this double top pattern 100%. Okay, and here right now I'm gonna show you, I will begin to show you the indicators, because we have some news on the indicators. And guys, here I would like to suggest you to go and follow me on Twitter, because I'm updating me there every day, every hour, according to what's happening and what changes on the market. So that's why it's really important to follow me there, because you're gonna be first on the news that's happening inside of the day. So we're gonna begin, guys, with the EMA ribbon, which, as you know, it had already flipped in the 4-hour time frame many days ago. But guys, in the 8-hour time frame, you can clearly see it's going for a huge flip, and this flip probably it's gonna get us straight to $21,250 area. Okay, and also, guys, on the 4-hour time frame, look at the exponential moving average. It had squeezed even more than yesterday, and guys, I highly believe that the time that we're gonna break this $21,250 area, which is the strongest support as we spoke before, we're gonna see the flip, and that flip gonna collapse the price of the Bitcoin under first straight to this technical price target of the rise wedge pattern, and then we're gonna continue even furthermore lower, close to $20,000 area. So you can clearly understand, guys, a price under $20,000 area is very, very close. Okay, have this very well in your mind. I won't jump into smaller time frames because everything is bearish there. Everything is looking bearish. I will jump straight to the 12-hour time frame, which I did a tweet that, guys, right now also the super trend indicator on the 12-hour time frame flashed bearish. Okay, look at this. Flashed very, very bearish territory here, which is gonna continue, and especially if we're gonna break, guys, the $21,250 area, we're gonna flip bearish into the daily time frame too. Okay, have this very well in your mind and pay big attention here. Also, we have the indicator, the MACD, which, as we know, is one of the most reliable indicators, which I have always in consideration in my analysis, and I had predicted you this kind of a huge distance between orange line and blue line, and you can clearly see a huge bearish territory that building here, and of course that caused a huge drop on the Bitcoin price. Okay, it's very obvious in the chart, and I believe, guys, that unfortunately this is gonna get even bigger, and of course that's gonna mean even bigger collapse on the Bitcoin price. So here what you should do, guys, if you have a capital amount and you are waiting to buy, don't wait to see lower and lower and lower price, because psychological you won't be able never to find the right time to buy, because we're gonna drop straight to $14,000. You're gonna have rumors at that time to that emerge to you in front of your screen that gonna say that Bitcoin is gonna drop to $9,000. Don't buy now, wait. And all this is a very psychological thing. That's why I'm telling you to start doing DCA to avoid these psychological side effects, which probably can wreck you or make you to do not buy in the right time. By doing DCA here and start buying, for example, daily, you will cover all these very, very good prices, and as lower we can get, you can actually double down, triple down, quadrillion down your position. And I will say quadruple down your positions the time that you're gonna see a new bottom, then go all in, no matter if it's $13,000, $12,000, or $14,000. That doesn't matter, guys, to be honest, because if the Bitcoin is gonna drop, it's gonna pump up to $16,000, you won't even remember if you bought to 12, 13, or 14. Okay, you can actually is the similar X's on your portfolio. That's why I'm suggesting you to almost go all in if we're gonna form again a new bottom. So, and here is something that I saw you. I believe I was the first guy on the world YouTube that I show you this descending broadening wedge that's gonna play out on the weekly time frame. And I told you, guys, and I'm gonna let exactly this move on the screen as because I believe we're gonna form exactly this path. I believe we're gonna see a movement straight to this support, retest the support, find big strength, and then we're gonna pump like crazy by breaking this descending broadening wedge resistance area. So have this pattern in your mind. I'm gonna update you every day, or also on Twitter too, for this descending broadening wedge. And guys, I highly believe that we're gonna drop to these very low numbers, and that it's gonna be, of course, a new bottom if we're gonna form this perfectly. And my new bottom, as you know, is $14,000 within $12,000, and $12,000 is my roast case scenario, the maximum pain, the roast capitulation, all the roast things. If we're gonna put in a straight line, it's gonna cause us the price to the Bitcoin price to drop to $12,000. Okay, otherwise I can see Bitcoin price within $13,500, within $15,000. Okay, around there, close to the previous bottom. or a little bit below that. But in a maximum pain, $12,000 is my pick as a number, and I can't see even below that the Bitcoin price, that we have space to get there. I don't believe that we have space to get there. With other words. Okay, that's all, guys. Very simple analysis. Stick with your DCA. You're gonna make crazy profits, and that's all. Okay, if you have any questions, drop it down below. I'm gonna answer everything today. So drop your question. Follow me on Twitter. Do not miss any tweet. And see you guys tomorrow with my fresh updates. Until then, until tomorrow, your boy Chris out. Bye.